Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this site can't be reached. As you can see, this website, it doesn't work and it cannot be reached. As you see here, it says, and it's maybe temporarily done, but it's not. And you know the website works, but you just cannot access on this computer. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. The error can be something else, like disabled by administrator or blocked by administrator. They are usually all the same errors, but for example, this is the error, it can be something different. So I'm gonna show you right now that I have internet access and the internet is actually working. So if I type here, for example, on Chrome Web Store, as you can see, the web store is working and it's loading. And as you can see here, it works everything okay. But just this website right here doesn't work. So how you can fix it is to go to this website. This will be in the description below of the video. As you can see, this is the Chrome extension that we need in order to unblock the website. So all you have to do is go to this link right here. It will be in the description, and click on this add to Chrome. And then we click here add extension. And then we wait for it to download. And once everything downloaded, you will get to this screen and just click on this continue limited. And so it's free. And then we just close. And now here, when we click on this one, on this puzzle icon on extensions here, we click on it. And then we just click on this pin icon to pin your icon so you can see it. As you can see, now if I click on pin, as you can see, I see it here. And we click on it, and then here we go and continue, and I'll start. And then you can select which country do you want, but I'm gonna let the default one here. And we just click on this here, this big button, this to turn it on. As you can see, now it says it's on. And now all we have to do is close this and just refresh it, refresh the website. And as you can see, now it works perfectly normally. And as you can see, it works. So if I disable it here, go to no thanks, continue as free, and click on this to turn it off. And we click again on refresh. As you can see, again, it doesn't work. So you have to have this on in order for it to work. So we put like this. And that's it. As you can see, it works. And now, if you want to remove this, we just go here, right click on this, and then click on remove from Chrome, and click on remove. And that's it. Now you just uninstall it. As you can see, the extension puzzle has disappeared. And that's pretty much it. But again, if we refresh, again it doesn't work because we just removed the extension. So everything will be linked down in the video. So if you have any more questions, ask me in the comments, and I'll see and try to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in more this kind of content, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.